Hi, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your noodles, and today I am making more bread. More bread? Yes. I'm gonna try something 100% instant noodle bread. This one right here you're seeing with your own face. Why this one? Well, it's not fried. I don't think I'm going to need an emulsifier for this one. I think I can just straight make this into flour and cook it up. Let's do this. I don't think it worked. It feels crusty. I did add spring onion and some sprinkled cheese on top. Feels like it's gonna be about the consistency of cornbread. I will take this blade. No, wait a second. I got something better. We'll use this item. This is the blade of smiles. Here we are. Look at this. It's kind of custardy. That's from using too many eggs. I really don't know what to do with this. Let's give it a try. Not exactly what I would call bread. It's bready. It's really weird. I don't know. I'm looking at this stuff sideways. I mean, it looks like bread, I guess, to the untrained eye. Very bouncy, very rubbery. And just a tinge of spiciness. It's already got cheese on it. I guess I'll just cut it up and make it look festive. Yeah, I really can't think of much else to do to this. I guess I could eat another piece. And a little bit of the crust. It poked my finger. But I think it just I think one of my teeth is gonna fall out now because this thing just busted a tooth. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider. I'm gonna try something different next time. My tooth! Remember the tooth. Bye.